So what I want to do going forward is to continue making these videos and making each one better than the last. I also want to travel to new locations, not just in my state, but further abroad. I want to experience different environments than what I'm used to here in Kansas. And in the field of filmmaking and bushcraft, camping, hiking, outdoor stuff, there's a lot to learn. So the things I do may not be perfect, and the things I learn, you'll be learning right alongside me. And with that, I want to try to get more people to get outside, get out into the woods, do things like this. And I want to bring you along every step of the way.